another vlog. This is the month of March. Today is 4th of March and it's already 9:51. We started content creating in February and that was only 3 times until February is over. So in this March, just started another content creating today. Like, I don't know why, but I think I've been busy all this while. So let's start with new video in the month of March. I've set up everything. I'm about to start recording. Before I say, let me check up on you guys. Like to say hi guys. I can't wait to also edit February vlog for you guys. Finally I edited the January vlog. That was with 6th of February. That's February ending. I can't wait to see you guys when I finish my video. Today we're going for makeup. I can't wait to see the time I'm going to finish, guys. I can't wait. This is 9:53. Let's see when I'm going to finish. Can you guys believe that I have finished content? I just finished right now. Here, that's my big camera there, my monitor, etc. So I have finished content and I did 2, which is this makeup here with skincare that I wanted to talk about. Questions like, oh Chinny, what are you doing on your face? I know my face is not perfect, but majority of you who knows how my face looks from the onset of me being a content creator are asking, okay, so I'm wondering, how did you come up? Like, what did you do to the face that makes it to be, you know, this flawless? I said, okay, it's just something I need to talk about, to share, and if you can apply it in your daily life, it will be helpful. It will help you, it will help me, okay? Because helping you is making your face to be like mine. Not for you to look like me, but you're having a flawless face or flawless skin. Then helping me too is that you will stop asking me, how did you get this type of face? How did you get this type of skin? Like, how is your face? Why are you not having a breakout? Okay, so yeah, this is what I am trying to say, if I'm making any sense. The cloth I was wearing before, after the makeup, I removed it, and now I'm wearing another one that I used and doing my skincare. Okay, so when those videos finally comes out, go and watch it. Go and watch it. Stop requesting, asking. When I finally convert your questions to video, you will not watch. Go and watch it. I am talking to you. Go and watch my video. Yes. At least that will give me energy. Because if you have any other question after watching, you'll be able to drop it. I'll write it down. Then when I have chance, I'll convert all of them to video. You watch it so that you will learn. You need to learn so that you will unlearn your learning that you have already learned before and learn new ones. New year, new learning. Go and watch my video. Thank you. And wait. Just subscribe after watching, or else. Yes. Or else. When I get in your full trouser. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you. Hi guys. Welcome back. So today is day 2 of content creating. So I just round up with my second content. Okay, so the first content was this makeup, but not actually exactly like this. There was a mixed touch up for the second content creator. So yeah, I did this makeup video, and now I finished my second video, both Instagram and YouTube. So I am in a hurry to go and pick my children from school. So right out this makeup, how is it looking like? You can actually tell that my makeup is no longer looking like the way it usually looked when I was doing makeup some years ago. There was an improvement. You can tell me that. I know already, okay? So like I always say, make sure you check out my videos. Always watch my video and like them and comment. Stop watching and scroll. Watch and like, okay? If not, you and I will have problem. Anyways, I'm in a hurry. Let me go pick my kiddo from school. I'm done for today. The last time I touched this camera was, I don't even remember then. I think that was last week. The last time was Thursday last week, and that Thursday last week should be, today is what, 10, that should be about 5 or 6, something like that. I've been passing through this. Look at my hand, it's swelled up. I have been having these issues. I don't know what this means, but trust me, it's not funny. Actually, today is 10th of March. 10th of March 2026. Today I have done so many content today. I can't even calculate, but I'm very sure that I did 3 YouTube video and 4 Instagram content as well, which was this makeup plus 2 different videos, and again this makeup for Instagram plus 2 extra different videos plus a transition. Anyways, that's not why we're here. I am here to unbox a hair that I bought online. Okay, so let's look into that hair. When I was doing the video, it really rang bell, and I ran to check, and they came to deliver a hair. This hair I purchased it, that's last week. I purchased this hair last week, and it's already here. This is hair number 1, and this is hair number 2. Actually, this one is a hair, not wig though. It's a station for braiding. So this one is 6-pack of 26 inches for my elder daughter, and this one is a 6-pack of 16 inches for my second daughter. So here I got both in black. That's awesome. I can't wait to. I didn't even know that the hair would be here by this time. They can't wait to do this hair. Oh, are you kidding me? This hair can be used to do so many things, not actually only in braids, but it can be used as a crochet hair or whatever. Looks beautiful though. I can't wait to use it on them. But this is long. She's gonna like it. Anyways, yeah, I got this hair. Both are in black, but it's one of black. So they're both in black. I'll still get another one again and another type. Okay. So yeah, their hair are here. Their hairs are here. So we are now waiting for the day to do the hair, which is going to be on the 21st of this month. We have scheduled the date, guys. I can't wait to do the hair for them. Actually, the hair was supposed to be done earlier than that, but the problem is that the hair they are carrying must be 2 months before I'll braid it. I'm so happy that their hairs are here. In the next, that's 21 days, and today is 10 minus 21, that's in the next beginning. I don't even know, that should be 11 days. Yeah, that's 11 days. Yeah, I'm good in mathematics. Who says I'm not good in mathematics? I'm good in mathematics. That's in the 11 days time, then we will braid the hair. So I'm so happy. I am running late, like I am running late, assistant, so I need to go and pick my baby. I've been doing content since 9 o'clock. Like, I don't know why I've been doing content. Not finishing. Today is 11. So please, you guys should go and watch my Bayonetta cosplay that I did yesterday. Please go and watch it. I've edited it. I'm posting it today by 7:45 p.m. CET. So please, guys, go check it out. Okay. Then the ones I did today, I'll try to edit them. Please, please, please. I'm in a hurry. I'm never support your sister. I didn't put her for this things. I beg. Muna not let my effort fall. Please, Muna, go to watch my video, okay? I'm going to be fast because I need to leave immediately and I don't need to carry this makeup out. So, see you guys.
First left onto Via Francesco in Grau.
Come with us as we go and explore a stationery shop where we can get some back to school equipment. Actually, it's not back to school yet, but I'm going there to explore the shop because it's my first time to be there. Okay, so that's where we are going for now. So guys, come with me as I go and explore. We go to explore more and more. I can't wait to be there because I've been hearing that place for a very long time, but I haven't been there. Right, so andiamo, let's go. I have finished the shopping and even left the place, so I want to quickly show you guys because I was recording in both channels. I ended up buying this pen here, okay, and also I got this 1-2 type. We got this marker here. That's a beautiful marker, and above all we got this water bottle here. This water bottle is so beautiful. I have opened it, explain it. So if you want to hear more about this water bottle, though, just head over to Upscale Family to see more details about this water bottle. It's so good. I actually love it so much. I can't wait to go back there again to buy things. They have everything affordable. I love it. Like, I love it. After that, I ended up buying this one too here. So this one has cleaner, sharpener, whatever up there, making life easy for the owner. So yeah, these are the things we got from there, and I'm super excited that I'm able to get things. So I would say that their things are very, very affordable. So if you're looking for a place to get some things, school stationaries, then head over to that place. Then when I came back, I passed by to my regular restaurant to get something to eat because I'm very, very hungry. I got some pizza. This some pizza here. Actually, it's not your regular kind of pizza. This one is small pizza. Okay, I can do this by myself too, but because before I'll miss the dough, wait for the dough to rise, because you can't do it when it's flat. Then I'll do everything I've already thinking. Maybe by that time I would have been rushed to the hospital, so I decided to get this one and put in my tummy first before I start that journey, because it's not a small journey. Not the journey meant to do everything, not a small journey. Anyway, if you take it as finish, it has not to. Let me still show you guys. You can actually call me a foodie. I'm a foodie, man. I'm a foodie. I love food. So I also get this. How can I eat pizza without chicken? It's not making sense at all. Anyways, I ended up buying this chicken. Oh, it's so hot. It's giving, okay? It's so hot, it's giving. I got it 2 laps that I'm going to use and digest this, but I don't have Coca-Cola because I don't take that. Anyways, I love my chicken. I'm going inside there. Jeme and Bongo. Google it. You know what Bongo is? Please help me Google it. I didn't vlog much in this March. I just vlogged a little bit. Take this thing. Hold it. I didn't vlog much, so there will be no much something like 1 hour video like the one I posted yesterday. Like, I didn't expect this on my birthday. It's showing. Please go and check it out. In this March, you're expecting a small vlog. Easter season is next week. Anyways, I want to go inside because I will soon go and pick baby from school. This is after 12, so I'll eat and go and pick baby from school. I hope you guys are enjoying yourself. For my hair, of course, my hair is getting old. We need to do new one. Maybe during Easter period we'll do new hairstyle. That's basically all I want to tell you guys.